Growing up, I never knew what to get my dad for Father's Day. It was usually like a tie or a mug or something that I've never even seen him use. So in this video, we're talking about Father's Day's gifts for musical dads. What I would want and why, all that and more, coming up.
Keep every story of your days a mystery.
Hey, welcome back to the Single Dad Nomad. If you don't know me, my name is Nicholas Dembski, and on this channel we talk about the gear, the income, and the inspiration you need to live better worldwide. So if you're interested in videos like that, consider subscribing. Okay, let's get going on the first gift for Father's Day that I would like this year as a musical dad. If I didn't already have it, of course. And anything that you see in this videos will have a link down in the description box. You can click on that link to help support this channel, and it's going to be no extra cost to you. So here's the guitar that I was talking about, and this is why I particularly love it. This guitar comes with this massive case right here. Let's get this open. It's a solid case, really strong, and almost worth the money itself. We'll get this open. Open it up. So let's get this out right here. So this is actually still really new for me. You can see I still got the stickers on it and stuff like that. I'm gonna make another video about it. Still got the tags on it. But this guitar is really beautiful. For starters, it's just one solid piece of mahogany. So it has a great sound and it's really well put together. Really good sound to it. And I'm not a very good guitar player, so anyone could play it better than me. But I picked up this one because it comes with this box right here, and also in the box it came with a neck strap, a clip-on guitar tuner, a bunch of picks, a cloth, and some other things, including actually a free trial to Fender.com to learn how to play better. So why would you want to get them this one? Well, for under $300, you can get this entire kit right here, and you're gonna have a great guitar that sounds like it's a $700, $800, $900 guitar. It's a great backup, and it also works really well for campfires and things like that. Just a rich, beautiful sound to it. Compared to other cheaper guitars, this one is not only great for beginners, but it makes a beautiful sound that matches guitars that are twice its price easily. If your musical dad already has a guitar, why not give him something to mix up the sound a little bit? Let's go into the next instrument that I recommend, and that's an awesome ukulele. So the next instrument we're going to look at is this ukulele right here. It's a great addition to any guitar jam session. So this is much less expensive than getting a full-size guitar, but you still get to add some great sound to your setup. And this set that I am going to link you to includes everything that you need. Let's take a look inside. Of course, it comes with this great little handy carrying case. And here is the ukulele itself. So again, this is another complete set. It's got the case, it's got the guitar, it's got picks, it's got a cleaning cloth, a guitar tuner, and a strap that you can hook on here and here. So this is a beautiful Hawaiian instrument. Now you don't want to go really cheap on ukuleles because they can really sound twangy and gross. So this is why I recommend this one. It's got this curved back for a deep, rich sound. I'm not great at any of these instruments, but I am learning and I love to play. And if you're looking for a great little instrument that'll make a great Father's Day gift for your musical dad this year, this ukulele is a perfect option. You got your lead guitar, you got your backup ukulele, now you need rhythm and beat, and that's why I recommend one of the easiest instruments to play, a djembe. Here's my favorite instrument that I own, and I think any father would be happy to get this as a Father's Day gift for this year, especially if they're a musical dad. There are a lot of different types of hand drums. People like to just call them all bongos, but they're not all bongos. This is much bigger than a bongo drum. This is a djembe. It's one solid piece of mahogany. It's got a goat skin top on it right here, and it has 3 different sound styles on it primarily. There are the tone sounds, the slap sounds, and the bass tones, really deep and rich and beautiful. And you can play it awesome in a group session for jam, or you can just chill by yourself and play on this. So you've got your guitar, your ukulele, you've got your rhythm and beat going with your djembe. Now somebody might want to record their music, and that's why I recommend two important pieces of equipment that can help anyone record their music and hear exactly what they're putting into their system. There are at least two electronic pieces of equipment that I highly recommend for any musical dad this year. And remember, anything that we've talked about in this video today, any products, you can find a link down in the description box. So the first electronic that I want to talk about is the Blue Yeti microphone. Now it comes with this beautiful USB cord right here, so you can connect it right into your laptop, and it flips up like that. You can actually disconnect it from this mount and put it onto an arm if you want, and adjust it around. I just leave it on this little mount. I like it like this. But the reason that I like it for musicians is that it has the perfect settings for it. Not only does it give you crystal clear sound and it picks up exactly what you're putting into it, but it has these controls on the back right here, so you can control both the gain and the directional input of the speaker. So it makes it great for sitting it down right in front of you and playing your music and just singing into it, and it will capture everything from your guitar to your voice. Secondly, you want something that's going to give you the output of that sound so you can hear actually what's going into it and make sure you're capturing it correctly. And that's why I recommend the Bose QC25. There are updated versions of this. There's the QC35, the QC700s, etc. But I recommend the QC25s. Why? Number one, they look exactly like the QC35s. There's very little difference between them. And number two, they still come with this cord. Now the QC35s don't have them anymore. They're just fully Bluetooth. And you're gonna need this cord to plug in to the base of your microphone right here, so you can hear exactly what you're making through these headphones. So this is the perfect combination for a Father's Day gift this year for musical dads who want to be able to record what they're creating. So you've got all your instruments, you've got all the equipment you need. The last thing I would recommend, if you still need something for your Father's Day, for a musical gift for them, is that you get them lessons of some kind. Now you can go online, you can check out Fender.com, you can check out master classes. There's a class in there where you can learn how to sing with Christina Aguilera and play guitar with Carlos Santana. YouTube has plenty of channels on here where people are teaching you how to play guitar, and I will link down in the description box to a few more types of lessons that you can find online, so you can browse around for yourself and pick and choose what's best for your dad for Father's Day. I hope I've given you some great ideas for the best gifts for Father's Day for a musical dad this year. For more on the headphones that we talked about, you can click on this video right here. For more, please click on this video right here. Don't forget to subscribe before you click either video, and let me know if you have any questions down in the comments section. And I will see you next time. Peace.